Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, today I'll capture your attention to a specific and a vital pillar of Islam, that is hijab. In this respect, our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said to his companions, I have a chance to look into the hell, and I found mostly women were into the hell. The companions of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, requested humbly in the honor of our Holy Prophet, O Prophet of Allah, what was the main reason that the women were into the hell? Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, replied in the response of his companions that a woman, instead of covering herself, she is showing off his parts of the body. Those are attracting others towards herself. And she is decorating her hairs like the hump of a camel. She will never go into the heaven. Even she will not smell the fragrance of paradise. This is the saying of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in the respect of hijab, scarf.